Hey everybody, it's David with Selman Home Inspections. How are y'all today? Just wanted to mention to you we have an ongoing special right now for 1-year builder warranty home inspections. You can mention the word warranty as a promo code when you schedule on our website, or when you call the office, just mention 1-year builder warranty and save $25 off your home inspection. If you've been in your home in your new construction home for less than a year, then you need to get a professional home inspection. Most home owners, or people that buy new construction homes, they're looking at the aesthetic things, the little marks on walls and little cosmetic deficiencies, and they can report those to their builder, of course. But a professional home inspection is going to go much deeper. We're going to look at the building standards that the home was built to, and let you know of any differences or any mistakes in the builder's that the builder's contractors have made, and make sure that those are taken care of before your warranty expires. An average home inspection costs around $325, depending on how large the home is, as much as $600. But typically, most homes are around $325 to $350. A professional home inspection on a new construction home can save you thousands in repair costs down the road, and we truly don't want you to pay for your builder's mistakes. So I hope you found this helpful, and we look forward to inspecting your new home and making sure it's everything it should be. Thanks, and have a great day.